I'm in the local park and I am testing out functions of the automatic drone movements. This is where it goes completely around me. I don't have to do anything, I just have to press the button. And I move nice and smoothly to it flying away from me. And on this part, I press the automatic landing function that's on the screen. You press it once, then press it a second time for 3 seconds, and the drone goes into an automatic land mode, which is can be really handy, and it just works. I'm in a different part of the park here, and I'm trying the fly around mode again. Now, this is in 1080p. This is doing the fly around again, but this time we're in 4K. I don't know if you can tell much difference between the 1080p and the 4K. I know the light levels are quite nice at the moment. So on this one, I'm going to take the drone up to some height, but I have to remember not to go above 400 feet or 120 meters, because that is all that is allowed in the United Kingdom. So I'm level with the treetops, and as I move to that part, the sun's directly ahead of me, and it caused the lens to flare. But as soon as I drop down the gimbal and start looking at the ground, things became a lot clearer. So at this point, I've got the gimbal all the way down, and I'm trying to find myself on the phone screen, and there I am. You can see how high I am. I suppose I'm about 200 feet up. Hard for me to gauge really. And I'm going to come down. And I move the gimbal so I can see myself, and I can keep myself in the frame, because I put a grid line on the screen. It just makes positioning myself in any part of the screen easier. This is a drone shot. It's where the drone automatically flies away. I didn't take the trees into account and I crashed.